Good morning, YouTube. Happy July 5th to you. Today we are over at the new house. We're getting ready to do some work that needs to be done in order for us to get an occupancy permit, which we will need to get the boys registered for school. So I decided I was going to go ahead and give you guys a, what they call it, empty house tour. So let me go ahead and flip this camera around and show y'all the house. All right, so this is the front of the house. We have a tuck under garage. That's Ian up there painting. Porch. Big dog in a car barking at me. So we first walk in. See, when you first walk in, there's a kid dancing to no music. But so front door, mail slot. These windows are the original windows. I love these little stained glass ones. But you can open the blind so you can get light coming through. Okay, Ian. But the original stained glass windows, these cute little cubby holes, which I think are adorable. This would be technically the dining room. There's Eli and Ian.
I'm not eating. Oops.
This would be one bedroom.
I'm spiking.
Okay. Closet. There's no curtains and then there's storage above.
I never noticed that.
And then there's more storage in here behind the door.
Oh, there's a light. I'm gonna take the light out. The secret room is right there.
That's the attic. Shower.
A shower bath.
Ian, back up, please. Thank you. Mirror. And then there's a linen closet behind the door. It's a nice size linen closet too. Ian has taken showers over here after when he's been over like cutting the grass and stuff.
I'm Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
I'm using it.
All right, so this is bedroom 2.
What's in here?
Another closet.
I'm there.
Anyway, another bedroom. So, there's like little things that we have to do in order to get the occupancy permit. That this is an outlet. This outlet needs to be put into the wall. That's one of the things that's on the list from the inspector. Here is the kitchen. The stove is pulled out because we had to have it pulled out when the inspector came. Everything is working fine, working order with it, but we have to put an anti-tip bracket along the front to keep it from tipping over if the kids are like hanging on it for whatever reason. Hey, I don't want y'all sliding on the floors, please. All right, so cabinets, refrigerator and stove came with the refrigerator, stove, dishwasher came with the house. And then there's a linen closet. I mean, not linen, pantry. That's what you call the ones that are in the kitchen. So pantry. All right, I'm going down. All right, I'll show you. This was a 3-season porch that the previous owners closed in windows to make it a bedroom. And this, of course, is an addition to the house because this is the initial, like the exterior wall of the house, and they just added on. Eventually, a few years from now, this will become a 3-season porch. Like, we're going to open up these windows, put windows back in. change this ugly carpet out, like pull it up, put some towel or something down, something that'll be element friendly. And I guess I'll go out the back door, show you the backyard since I'm out here, since I'm right here. But this will eventually become another 3-season porch instead of a weird bonus room that doesn't get counted for anything. My kids are calling it the playroom though. But here is the backyard. And so here's the backyard. It's level, which I love. And then the neighbors on this side apparently have a good green thumb because they have these pretty flowering plants, which makes our property look really good. Gutters were cleaned. Last week we had the gutters cleaned. Next Thursday we have somebody coming out to do some tuck pointing on the chimney. The electrician, whenever he gets out here, he'll also repair this box. It needs to be repaired. We're getting the end is going to put a downspout on here because that needs to be done. We have to paint this fence and like put some screws in and tighten it up, and then we have to get the tree limbs have to be cut back so keep them off the power lines, and that's all that has to be done outside. Walking side of the house. But yeah, the chimney has to be tuck pointed. You can't really see. But lots of tuck pointing needs to happen on that one. And then, that's trash. Going back in the house.
Hey, Mom. Hey, Mom.
Are y'all stalking me? Good grief.
What is that?
Y'all are everywhere that I am. Come on in.
Because you're our mom.
Is that's the deal that I signed up for?
Yep.
Y'all go.
Are you going down?
Yes.
Can we go outside and meet you there?
No, I'm not opening the garage door.
Look, would you at least come down with you?
Why?
Because I just want to go where you want to go. I want to go everywhere in the house. Yeah.
Y'all can come down.
Okay, even the attic?
No, we're not going in the attic.
When we would go in the attic?
We're never probably going to go up there.
So,
There's no need.
wait, is the attic for like when there's an emergency?
The attic is for storage and insulation. And because you need a roof on the house. That's the only reason we have an attic.
Oh, I can go in here because
All right.
Because I have a mask.
All right, so all of this is storage. Under the stair, creepy storage.
Yeah, it looks like there's a chimney in there.
Yeah.
Or
And then there's this shelving, but basically all of this is just like built-in storage places. Wash and dryer connections.
I got bit by a spider. That's a spider.
A nice little electrical panel that was already upgraded. Praise the Lord for that. I'm trying to think.
Let's go in there. I think we go in there.
Go ahead. This is another illegal bedroom. So it technically has all the things that you need: a closet, a window, and a door. That's why they said it was no. Yes, the mold is gone. Your dad did some work over here. So there was mold.
Right here, so
There was mold in the closet.
so
That
we
end.
couldn't go in here. But if the mold was still here, I would be able to come in here because I have a mask.
Right. So Ian took care of the mold that was in the closet, and so it did not get flagged for inspection, which was great.
I shouldn't bring my mask here.
Yeah, you should have brought your mask, but it's cool. Anyway, whoever was in the house before here was using this as a bedroom, but we will probably just have this set up as maybe an office space or whatever.
A studio space?
Studio space.
Like Ryan has?
Yeah.
Where we do videos and baby and stuff?
Sure, Ian.
Yeah, that's what a studio is.
You almost got your finger smashed in the door. Yeah, because I was opening the door and you had your finger in the crack. Don't put your fingers there, okay?
What's that green stuff right there, Mom?
I don't know, baby. Okay, so this was a bathroom that they had installed illegally, which means that the city made them plug it in. So toilet would have been there, got plugged. Shower also got plugged in. Eventually, maybe.
Mommy, can I show them how the garage works?
No.
Yeah, because they have so.
But yeah, so. But again, like I said, somebody was living down here because they had, bathroom and everything. But before they got ready to sell it, they plugged it in. So cement down the drain. So if we ever decide, you can hear my kids riding scooters in the house. But garage door, and then there's also like outdoor storage, like storage for like lawnmower. It's really dark. But storage for like lawnmower, weed eater. And then here's the furnace, water heater. The usual, like the main appliances of the house. And that is it. So that is it for the house tour. I'm getting ready to go help and paint. And that's what we'll be doing most of the day. We brought the kids back the house over. So whenever we get to the back fence and start painting that, then we'll have, once we get to that part of the house, the backyard to paint, we'll probably pull their stuff out. But that's it, y'all. Let me go get a pair of gloves and get busy working. Catch y'all in the next video. Bye.